Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to review a product which is Garnier Light Complete. It's a serum cream, which means it's a serum in a cream form. And it's really good because it has vitamin C, which lightens all the dark spots. Speaking about the packaging, guys, it's a very pretty and cute packaging that you get in this type of a bottle. Actually, this bottle comes in a carton, but it's quite some time that I bought this product and I've got rid of the box. I only have this bottle left. This bottle also contains all the information about the product. So this product the quantity in this bottle is 45 grams and is priced at 165 rupees. So if you are buying this product online, I'm sure you will get a discount. It's also available in any of the local stores as well, guys. And the shelf life of this product is 3 years and it comes with SPF 19. The smell of this product, guys, it's really so good. I love it. It's so good. Okay. Speaking about the texture of this cream, it's really a very thick cream. You can see it here. See, it's a very thick cream. However, it mixes with your skin. It blends with your skin really well. And it has got an amazing feeling. I love the smell of this product. So yeah, you can see all of the cream has just gone off. And about this product, it's very travel friendly package, and as you can see, I've got all the dark spots on my skin removed because of using this cream, guys. So yeah, you can definitely give a try on this product and I'm sure you will find it useful. So this is a packaging of the product and it blends really well. There is a caution on this bottle that is mentioned that do not apply to the delicate eye contour. So it's better you don't apply to this area. You can see, and you can apply to the rest of your face. And if you're feeling that it's not suiting your skin, it's better not to apply this, guys. Usually with a few moisturizers, I have this issue that when I apply moisture, it feels good. But suppose after like few hours of applying the moisturizer, I start getting rashes on my skin. So that's why it's better to first check this product if it suits you and only then buy. When I bought this, I got a face wash and a cream combo. So I guess it's available on Flipkart. You can have a check. Okay guys, so now about how to use this product. As you can see, I have tied my hair well behind. I'll remove my bindi and I will apply this cream serum. I'll first wash my face completely. You would have to first wash your face clean and then you can use a toner on your skin. Once you have applied the toner, just apply it in dots like this. It has got a very good smell. I love the smell, guys. This is mostly the third or fourth time I'm telling you this in this video. But that's the only reason I'm telling you is because of the smell. It smells so good. You have that orangey flavor sort of a smell. Yeah, so very little bit of quantity is enough for it to be applied on your face. I also prefer applying all the creams on my neck as well. So once this is done, you just rub it off like this. Yeah. Usually I use this serum in my night skincare routine so that it gets enough time to work on my skin. So yes guys, I'm done applying the serum. So yeah, I have been applying the serum from maybe like 2 or 3 months now, and I certainly see the difference. Recently, I have been infected with chickenpox, and I had a lot of chickenpox marks on my skin. So this cream has really helped me improve the color of my skin to get rid of those marks. As you can see, my skin is free from many marks. So yeah, you can try this guys. So hope you like today's videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Please do let me know if you feel that I require a few improvements. Even I'm learning, so help me learn. And please don't forget to subscribe to my videos guys, and follow my channel in case you would like to get any updates on the latest videos that I add to my channel. Okay, so until my next video, bye bye, take care, love you all, bye bye.